welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today you are in for a super delicious and different dish, because even though you are probably familiar with cornbread, this is going to be a special one because it has a twist. It's going to have that Dominican flavor into it. So this dish brings a lot of memories back to me because I used to eat it when I was growing up. A couple of the neighbors used to make it and they used to sell it, but to us, the kids, they used to give it to, so we didn't have to buy it. And you know, it's just because we were all friends, the parents were all friends, so they would just give us a little slice. Let me go ahead and start this dish and tell you guys what I'm going to be using. So I have here the cream style sweet corn. I have about 15 ounces of it. I say about because it's 14.75, and this is the cream. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. It's awesome. I mean, this is like cool. I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start moving. I also gonna be putting in about a cup of milk. Room temperature. It could be cold too, but room temperature. One thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting 2 eggs into this dish. It's awesome. We don't even have to move it. I decided to put some extra corn. I like the whole corn, so I decided to grab some and I'm gonna throw it in. That is about an ounce of just whole corn. This is a little sweet and sour kind of cornbread, so it's special because it also has cheese in it, but it also gonna have some sugar. So it's I have here about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have a cup of cheese, mozzarella cheese. It's optional. You can use any cheese you like. Nothing better than when you make a dish like this, enjoy what you like in it, especially if it comes to cheese or any spices. This is looking so good. I also going to be putting a little vanilla. I'm going to be doing about a teaspoon. That's about it. A tiny hint of salt is optional. Let's go ahead and stir it. So this is open because I was going to use only half of it. So this little box is 8 ounces, 0.5. And I was going to do half, but I decided to do the whole 8 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. And this as well. I also have half a cup of all-purpose flours that I'm going to be pouring in. And because of the all-purpose flours, we have to use baking powder. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of baking powder, so it will break through this one and also makes it nice and puffy. Yes. So let me get the camera closer to us. Guys, this is looking very good and it smells awesome. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and pour the flour. I'm going to start moving it. This is awesome. The smell in this dish is just perfect. Definitely beautiful. If you try it this way, you're going to fall in love with it, and you're going to tell me later. You will tell me later how much you loved it. So I'm going to go ahead and put half of a tablespoon of baking powder. We should turn the oven on almost at the time we start mixing all this together. So my oven is already preheated on 350. We're going to go ahead and put this dish in the baking pan. I have here a 10 by 10 by 2 It doesn't need any oil or anything, but I am going to spray a little oil. It's optional. You guys can also use butter. You know, for the baking pan, you can use round, you can use oval, you can use any one you want. I mean, it is optional and there's no question about it. So let's just do this beautiful and have fun in the kitchen. That's what I always say. I'm going to hold it on the top and I'm going to be putting every little drop on that pan because we want everything. We want to make sure we get it all. Awesome. This is going in the oven 350 degrees and it's going to be in the oven for about 35 minutes. I'm going to start with 30 and we're going to see how it is. Remember, the key is to put a little knife or a toothpick in, and if it comes out clean, it's cooked, it's done. Right in the middle, and it's going to go in for about 30 minutes. And that's all we have for now. Guys, this is the cornbread. They came out so beautiful. I mean, like, wow. I'm like ready to cut a little piece. I can touch it now. So I normally like this kind of breads with some cocoa or some plain milk. But this time I just gonna go ahead and try it like this, and then eventually I will make something to enjoy it with. But right now I'm just ready to try it. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's see what it looks like. It looks awesome already, but I want to see the inside. Let's try it. This is awesome. Let's try right here. My God, look at that, guys. Wow, look at the corn. It came out so clean. It's beautiful. Look at that. Nice, moist. You can tell. Look at that. I love it. So well cooked. Definitivamente, this is awesome. Let's do a little trial. Let's break a little piece. Oh, look at the cheese. Wow, that is so cool. Well, guys, this cornbread came out delicious. It looks so good, so moist. I mean, like, wow, look at that. Wow, look at the color of it. Nice. The texture is just perfect. It's not dry. I know I have to wait to be able to hold it like this, but look at the way this looks. This looks good. Yay, picture time. Guys, I recommend you to try this beautiful dish. I mean, this cornbread came out excellent. I mean, that hint of sweet, I love it, but you also have that little salt into it. The whole thing just came out so nice. The cheese, you can taste it, you can see it when you cut into it. Look at that. You can see it right there. That's perfect. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos, and also leave your comments. I would love to read your comments. As long as I have you, I want to keep cooking. So thank you for your support. God bless. Let's eat.